So this is our third multimedia video box with the latest Android 11 system, which comes with an HDMI output. Today we're on the Mercedes GLE with wired Apple CarPlay, so it is completely compatible with our new multimedia video box. In this video today, I'm going to bring out the package. I'm going to bring out the multimedia video box, going to show you how it works and what function it has. So now I'll show you what is inside the package. So you slide out the package like this, and inside you'll see the contents. First you'll see our user manual, and then in the small compartment you'll see the cables to connect the multimedia video box to your vehicle, and this is the multimedia video box here. This is our multimedia video box, the third version, the Android 11 Plus. So the ports available on this product is the Type-C port here, which is used to connect to the car. And on the other side, there is a USB 3.0 for USB playback function, or when you want to connect a wireless remote controller for non-touchscreen vehicles. The other port, which you see here, is an extra function, is an upgrade from the previous models of multimedia video boxes. Is an HDMI output, so you can connect our new multimedia video box to any screens with HDMI you want, so TV at home for example. And now I'm going to connect the multimedia video box to show you what function it has and how to use the box. So like I said just now, Type-C port to connect to the vehicle, and then on this GLE it uses a USB-A, so I'm going to be using this cable. So what you saw just now was our startup animation for the new multimedia video box, and once you've waited around 5 to 10 seconds, you'll see our new system. You might think, is this Apple CarPlay? It's not. It's our new multimedia video box main menu. So we've completely redesigned the interface to make it much more suitable for your user experience. It looks like Apple CarPlay, but it's a bit different. For example, here you have the wireless Apple CarPlay function, and you might see YouTube, Netflix, which is not available on the original Apple CarPlay menu. So first I'll show you. If you go into settings and then go into about this machine, here you'll see our Android version is Android 11. The first Android 11 in the market. So once you scroll more to the left and right, you'll see more and more apps already pre-installed for you. You'll see YouTube, Google Chrome, Netflix, and most importantly, Google Play Store is there for you to download even more apps. So now I'll go ahead and show you a couple of functions like wireless Apple CarPlay first. And now I'll show you how wireless Apple CarPlay is connected on our new multimedia video box. So first I'll click into this menu. And then once you're in that CarPlay function menu, follow the instructions, which is to go into Bluetooth. And then I'll search for the for this device name. And I'll click on it, and I'll click pair, allow. And within a few seconds, I should be using wireless Apple CarPlay. Like so. Within a few seconds, you'll be connected to wireless Apple CarPlay with all the original functions of Apple CarPlay for you to use. The only difference is now you're completely wireless. To go back into the Android 11 operating system, you simply click on the car make logo, and then you're back in the original Android 11 system. To go back to wireless Apple CarPlay, simply click on wireless Apple CarPlay function again, and you're back. So you can swap between the two operating system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android 11 operating system, freely as you like. Other than the wireless Apple CarPlay function, we have redesigned how the media function works. So what's the difference? Now the third multimedia video box acts as a USB. So what that means is you do not have to plug in a flash drive into the multimedia box to watch offline movies or listen to music. So you just simply connect the multimedia video box to a computer, and you can directly transfer any kind of files that you want onto it, and you can watch it offline. So you do not require a flash drive anymore. Another function that I want to show you is the mirror function. So what the mirror function does is to mirror your entire phone screen, either iPhone or any Android phone, directly onto your car screen. So go into the mirror function. Today I'm using an iPhone, so I click into iOS. And then the first step, so this is the instructions to connect to mirror. And the first step is to go into Wi-Fi, and to make sure you've connected to your phone hotspot, be that it may iPhone or Android. So I've already shared my iPhone hotspot, and I've already connected to it. So I'll go back now. And the second step is to go to Control Center screen, click Screen Mirroring, and then click on the multimedia box name. Within a second, I'm already mirroring. So if you want to watch any movies or play any kind of videos that you want, you're free to do so within a few seconds. To stop the mirroring, you can go back in the Control Center, click Stop Mirroring, and you're back into the AirPlay mirror function. Another function of the box, like I've said in the beginning of the video, is to go and locate Google Play Store. So the functions of this multimedia box is unlimited because of Google Play Store. You just have to log into your Gmail account, and you can download any applications that you want. And other functions like Bluetooth music and Bluetooth phone, you simply connect to the Bluetooth of your iPhone or Android phone, and you can start using the function. All functions have the instructions on the screen, so simply if you want to connect to any functions, simply click into it and there are instructions for you to connect. Another function of this multimedia box is the cleanup. So when you have opened a lot of background apps, simply click cleanup, and what this does is it will clean up all the process that you have in the background and clean up your RAM. And another one that, if you look on the left side of this screen, there's a bar menu. The bottom one is Google Assistant, and then the top two are the ones that you've used just recently. So if I click into Google Assistant, that will come as well. And then YouTube and Netflix, because of our network, we'll have to do this on our test platform back in the office. And then most importantly, if you want to go back to your original car menu, simply click on Car button, and you're back into the car menu, which is for this vehicle is Mercedes command menus. And if you go back into Android 11 operating system, simply select Apple CarPlay function again, return to Apple CarPlay, and you're back into Android 11 system. And that's it for the functions, and we'll see you back in the office.